Diamond painting friends, Jessica here with Tiny World of Wonders, stopping in to share a totally enabled unboxing today. Now by totally enabled, I mean I saw this canvas on Laura's channel over at Anxiety Art Adventures. Go subscribe at once. I love Laura. Her videos are awesome. You will also be enabled, however, be aware. I saw her unbox this canvas and I saw Emeralds and Fairy Lights and Diamonds and Washi unbox another one from this company, and I basically went over and bought them right away. So you see, influencers can be influenced too. We all influence each other. Sorry, not sorry. So thanks, Laura, for helping me find a canvas that broke my no-buy, but I'm not sorry about it. I'm not sorry about it at all. I'm excited to show it to you today. I hope you guys are having a great week. If you are a returning subscriber, so happy to have you as always. If you're a new viewer, welcome. I have a lot of unboxings on my channel recently, but I would say most of what you're gonna find, a lot of what you're gonna find content-wise on the channel is like how to diamond paint kind of videos. So if you're interested in that, I'll link a good playlist for you up in the cards. If you're a beginner, you're trying to decide what the heck this diamond painting thing is all about, that might be a good place for you to start. All right, today's unboxing is from a brand new shop called Diamond Painting Shop with a PPE, which is very cute. This is one of the many new shops these days that licenses images legally. I'm so thrilled that in the few years since I started my channel, that more of these shops keep coming up and keep coming up and keep offering different kinds of images, different platforms. You can find some on Etsy, some on just websites. It's so exciting because having a lot of images to choose from that are legally licensed is super fun. If you guys have been around this hobby for a while, do you remember back in the days where you basically had three choices? Three kinds of choices? This is much better, wouldn't you agree? Okay. This is a very posh and polished box. I ordered this on a weekend, I believe, and it came within a week. It had arrived at my house within a week, so that's fantastic. This canvas is called Astrological Symbol Zodiac. All right, I can tell right away that this is a very different canvas fabric than I've worked with before, but yes, but not. Okay, it reminds me of a cross between Diamond Dots, very satiny kind of canvas fabric, the kind of short lint canvas, but not, that DAC carries. It's like the velvet and the sateen had a baby. Here we go. Here we go. What I like about this canvas is that it's a giant clock. I love all things vintage. We're gonna have a little rolling party here for a second. We're gonna tack down our corners. This reminds me of the clock in Prague. What's that clock called? This reminds me of like kind of a photoshopped / watercolor version of that clock. Astrological Symbol Zodiac, copyright Joseph Klopaka. It is a stock image licensed through Shutterstock, and it's very important that even stock images are properly licensed because they're under copyright. It's important. This is a 50 by 70 round drill canvas. It has 51 colors. That's a lot of colors. I also like this new trend in diamond painting where companies use a lot of colors. Use the amount of colors that are needed to make the image look good. If it's 35, use 35. But if it's 50, don't skimp on using 50. If it's 60, don't skip on using 60. We'll pay for the extra drills if the image looks good and the rendering is good. That's my opinion. Every opinion I give, someone's gonna disagree with. That's okay. Ooh. Okay, this plastic cover is heavy duty, you guys, and it peels back like butter. That's fantastic. I'm gonna try the other side. Ooh. That's very nice, very nice. I like it so far. My first impression is that I like it. And you guys, we all get accused of being nitpicky here on YouTube a lot of times if we give our opinions on things. But you guys come to our channels because you do a lot of diamond painting like we do, and you want to know what the scoop is. on some of these companies. So we don't do it to be nitpicky. We do it because we want you to know when you get a canvas what it's going to be like if you have preferences of your own. So at this moment, I very much like the thick plastic cover. Diamond Painting Shop, Astrological symbol Zodiac. There's the original image. We do have some stickers here for our containers. They are not pre-cut, so you do have to cut them all out, but we're grown-ups, we can handle it. That's got some info there about the canvas. Very nice. Oh, very happy to see something is going on here. There's a big debate that rages, you guys, in the diamond painting community about cellophane wrap drills versus pre-bag drills. What has more static? Which is harder to use? The answer is there's no definitive answer because everyone who diamond paints lives in a different climate. If you live in a very, very dry climate, these baggies might be a nightmare for you to get out of. If you live in another kind of climate, the cellophane baggies might be a nightmare for you to diamond paint out of. I have to say, for me, the cellophane baggies always have way more static than the pre-bag drills. I have a philosophy that it's because when I get pre-bag drills, the air tends to be a bit more squished out of the bags than the cellophane wrap drills, and so they just don't get shaken around as much. You like how I shake the camera to illustrate what's going on? A rule of thumb is the more you shake your bags around, the more staticky your drills are gonna be. You can't always control how much they've been shaken around, but if you're grabbing your drills and you're like, I really hate how staticky these drills and pre-bags are, you're gonna create yourself a ton of static. Now, is it you doing it? No, it's not always. It's not always. But the motion on the ocean is part of the issue with static. I don't have any problems with pre-bag drills being staticky, or at least they're pretty much all the time less staticky for me than the cellophane wrapped ones. But I know not everybody lives in my house. Not everybody lives in my climate. So I don't think there is a definitive good versus bad on that. It's personal preference. I prefer the pre-bag, and I'm super excited that's what we have here. So lots of very pretty colors. We have yellows, blues, purples, some greens. These are all numbered. They have both the number from the legend here, number 1, and the DMC number on the bag. The DMC number is little, it's small, but it is there. So that's very nice. I like the colors. I like the color choices. The canvas layout seems very, very nice. The symbols seem clearly printed at my first glance. We have legends on both sides, one on the top, one on the bottom. That's very nice. For a brand new baby company, I'm really impressed with what I'm seeing here. I can tell that some maneuvering has been done here to make sure the numbers are very visible here, which is nice. What do you guys think? That's pretty, right? That's really pretty. This canvas did come with a nice thank you note, which was very, very, very nice. Hello, Jessica, even has my name on it. Thank you for supporting our small business. My pleasure. As a token of gratitude, we've enclosed a 10% off coupon. That's very nice. They have a rewards program. You can become a member. And the owner's name is Rosa Berto. This did also come with a, actually ordered 2 canvases, so it came with 2 little goodie bags. Now you guys, both the goodie bags had candy and washi tape and some really cute stickers. The candy made it about 5 minutes after the canvas arrived, so I don't have that to show you. I'm sorry. But here's the washi tape that came in my bag. That's very nice. Very, very nice. It's a nice touch. I will say the glue on this canvas, from what I can tell, the poured glue does not extend 1 millimeter past the drill area. So the washi tape may just go in my stash for other canvases that have a little bit more loosely applied poured glue, but this is very well centered. Last but not least, let me show you the toolkit in case you're brand new and you don't have any toolkits yet. Want to make sure you know what's in there. We have a clear pen with a 3-placer, also included a skinny 4-placer, a skinny, that looks bigger than a 9-placer. That's a big placer. a slab of pink wax, some pointy tweezers, the only kind of tweezers that do any good in diamond painting, I think, a small white boat, and a squishy. So a nice basic toolkit. The washi tape is a very nice addition in the little thank you gift. As the company grows, that may change, you know, what you get in each kit. That's a little add-on from the seller, so may not be scalable, you know. These things, there are logistics involved in these things. One other thing you may wish to know about the charting on this canvas, and I'm being a little more detailed than usual because it's a brand new company. There are no training wheels on the round drills, so if you aren't a big fan of guide circles, the little kind of black circles that go around all your symbols, this has a colored space for the drill to fit, but no distinctive guide circles. So that might be good info for you to have as well. This canvas totally has ABs in it. While I was sitting here doing my sign-off spiel, I looked down and I saw this twinkling, glowing deliciousness, and then it was like, Jessica, there are ABs, you almost missed it. I can't miss it. Just shows I wasn't looking at the legend that closely. We have 4 shades of ABs in this canvas. We have this 307, yellow. We have 3756, kind of a celadon / yellow, light yellow-green AB. We have this blue, which is AB 3843, and we have 666. I'm not gonna take the time to show you where they are because if there's 4 of them, there's gonna be a lot. Like I can tell already that this number 9, the yellow, is gonna be, there's a ton of them up here. That's gonna be really cool. So, 4 shades of ABs. Diamond Painting Shop, you're coming out strong, coming out of the gate strong. Good on ya. Of course, I'll keep you guys posted as I work this canvas up. I think it's gonna be really fun. So there you have it, you guys. Diamond Painting Shop, a brand new company with licensed artwork. I'll have another canvas to show you here in coming weeks that I'm really excited about for Summer with the Masters, which probably is happening at this point. I'll make sure I have a link to Diamond Painting Shop in the description below so you can check them out. As always, spread some joy wherever you are, and I'll catch you next time. Bye.